Hi everyone, welcome to Miss Logically. In today's video, we are seeing a very simple program of printing Fibonacci series. Yes, it is a very simple program which we all learned in our start of programming journey. But I am doing it in Kotlin today. So let's get started. As you know, Fibonacci series is nothing but summation of previous two numbers. Let's print it. For example, if it's starting with 0, 1, then 0 plus 1 would be 1, then 1 plus 1 would be 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, and so on. Okay, so to have this series, I'm having a limit variable first. Let's say val limit is equal to 10. So I want to print first 10 numbers in a Fibonacci series. Then I am having var t1, which is term 1, is equal to 0, var t2 is equal to 1. So these are the first two numbers which we need to declare before starting a loop. I definitely will be needing a loop because I'm printing the numbers iteratively. Let's have a loop for I in. Let's say my limit is 10. So I'll be having 1 to 10. So loop will run for 10 iterations. Here what I am trying to do, I have to print a number in a Fibonacci series. So first I am printing a number t1 because I want to print it since start. So our first element is 0, which is t1. Okay, having some space after it. Now as I have printed it, I will be changing or shifting the values of t1 and t2. As you can see, third variable is the summation of previous two numbers, or in this case if you look at 1 and 2, 1 is first, second is second, and 3 is the summation of previous two. So definitely I'll be having a variable called as sum, which will be equal to t1 plus t2. Now as I have the summation, I have t1, t2 and sum, everything. So in this case, if you can see, t1 is 0, t2 is 1, and sum is 1. Now I have to shift it. So what I'll do, I will be having t1 is equal to t2 and t2 is equal to sum. So as you can see, it is shifted just one variable next. t1 becomes t2 and t2 becomes summation. So it is shifting with two pointers further in the series. So when the next iteration will be there, in that case t1 and t2 will be advanced with one more value, and it will run for the 10 iterations. That's it. That's the whole logic to print the Fibonacci series. Let's check if it is running well. Okay, I have done print ln. Let's try to print on the same line. Yes, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34. It is correct. What it is saying, variable is unused because I have given the hard code value. Let's try changing a limit a bit to verify if it is running well. Yes, as you can see, 34 plus 55 should be 89, and so on. So it is printing the Fibonacci series in a correct way. So it is a very simple program with a simple logic, but we try to solve it in a Kotlin. So seems like there's nothing much different while solving it in Kotlin. So the same logic will be applicable to any other programming language if you are doing this program in any other languages, because it is a very standard logic to print a Fibonacci series. So that's it for today's video. I will meet you soon in the next one. Till then, keep coding. Bye.